If you find this video helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link is in the description below. A choke coil takes a current of 2.5 ampere when connected across 250 volt 50 Hz AC supply and consumes 400 watts. Calculate number 1 power factor, number 2 resistance of coil, and number 3 inductance of coil. So in this question, the current is given, the voltage is given, the frequency is given, and the real power is given. And we have to calculate power factor, that is cos phi, resistance of the coil, that is R, inductance of the coil, that is L. Solution. First of all, we will write what is given. So current is given. So current I is equal to 2.5 ampere. Then voltage is given. So voltage V is equal to 250 volt. Then frequency is given. So F is equal to 50 Hz. Then real power is given. So P is equal to 400 watt. Then what we have to find? We have to find power factor. So first we will find this power factor. And we know that power factor is equal to cos phi. Now here we have to find this cos phi. Now we know that real power P is equal to Vi cos phi, and we have the value of power P, we also have the value of voltage V, and we also have the value of current I. So we will substitute all these values here. So power P is equal to 400 is equal to voltage is 250 multiplied by current is 2.5 ampere into cos phi. So cos phi is equal to 400 divided by 250 into 2.5. Now if we solve this using calculator, then this will be 400 divided by 250 multiplied by 2.5. So it is 0.64. 0.64. This is the value of cos phi, and cos phi is the power factor. So therefore power factor is equal to 0.64. Now here in this case, the circuit contains resistance and inductance, because the choke coil takes a current of 2.5 ampere when connected across 250 volt 50 Hz AC supply and consumes 400 watts. So we have to calculate resistance and inductance. That means the circuit contains resistance and inductance. So therefore in this case the power factor will be lagging. Because of the inductance, the power factor will be lagging. So this is our first answer. Then next is we have to find resistance of the coil. So resistance we have to find, and we know that resistance R is equal to, or cos phi is equal to R, that is resistance, divided by Z, that is impedance. Now we have the value of this power factor, but we don't have the value of this resistance and this impedance, but we can find the value of this impedance using Z is equal to V by I, where V is the voltage and I is the current. We have the value of voltage and it is 250 volt. So this will be 250 volt. divided by current. Now current is 2.5 ampere. 2.5 ampere. So therefore this will be 250 divided by 2.5. This will be 100. Now since it is impedance, so its unit will be ohm. Now we have the value of this Z and this cos phi already. The value of cos phi is 0.64. So from this we can find the value of this R. So therefore R is equal to Z into cos phi. Z is equal to 100 multiplied by cos phi is equal to 0.64. So therefore R is equal to 64 and its unit will be ohm. Then next we have to find inductance of coil. So inductance will be L. Now to find inductance, first we have to simplify. Z is equal to under root of R square plus XL square. That is, we have to find this inductive reactance first. We have the value of this impedance. We have the value of this resistance also. So from this we can find the value of this XL. So therefore XL is equal to under root of Z square minus R square. So therefore under root of Z square will be, the value of Z is 100. So 100 square minus R square is 64. So this will be 64 square and this will be the value of XL. So therefore XL is equal to under root of 100 square minus 64 square and it is 76.83. 76.83. Now its unit will be ohm. So this is the value of XL, that is inductive reactance, but we have to find inductance, and inductance will be XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. So from here we can say L is equal to XL divided by 2 pi F. Now the value of XL is 76.83. 76.83 divided by 2 pi multiplied by F. Now the value of F is the frequency and the value of frequency is 50 Hertz. So this will be 50. So therefore L is equal to 76.83 divided by 2 into pi multiplied by 50. So this will be 0.244. 0.244 and its unit will be Henry. The unit of inductance is Henry. So this is the value of inductance. This is the value of resistance and this is the value of power factor. This is what we have to find in this question. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to donate whatever amount you can. Link is in the description below. Thank you.